What's up, everybody? So I ordered some plants from Indonesia and had them shipped to California. It was shipped out of Indonesia on March 24th, and I paid the import duty fee to DHL on March 26th. But my package was stuck in Los Angeles, and this is the message I got from DHL tracking, and it said, due to the nature of the goods, specific authorization is required from a regulatory authority other than customs for further clearance. Further processing will occur as instructed by the regulatory authority. A DHL representative will attempt to contact the consignee/importer or shipper if further details are required. So as you can see, I got my package today on April 4th. So it's been about almost 2 weeks since it was shipped. And as you can see, on the package it says, opened for inspection by the United States Department of Agriculture. So it seems like this box has been already opened by USDA for inspection. The shipper did include a phytosanitary certificate, and I did go the extra step of obtaining an import permit. So this is the first time that I've run into this problem. So I'm a little bit worried about how long the plants have been in the package, and also I'm a little bit worried about the handling of the plants by the USDA. So I'm gonna do the unboxing now, and hopefully these plants are still good. Okay, so there's also tape on the inside box that says open for inspection by United States Department of Agriculture. So looks like they repackaged the inside box and also the outside insulation layer as well. So I'm just gonna lay them all out, and then I'll go through each one and see how they are. And it looks like they also cut open the tape that wrapped the cardboard around the plants. So it looks like they did open each plant up for inspection. Okay, this one looks like the Syngonium aurea. First glance, most of the leaves look pretty good. I think this one just got caught in there by accident. Okay. Next, we have a variegated burrow marks. So one of the leaves here is pretty smushy, as you can see. I'm not sure. So some of them are okay, and then some of them are really mushy, as you can see. This one, I think it's the Philodendron Florida Beauty. The leaves look okay so far. And then this one looks like the Anthurium crystallinum. The leaves are pretty much yellowed. These are, but I'll see how the roots are doing later. Okay, I'm not sure which type of Syngonium this is, but it's one of the Syngoniums that I ordered. This one is also another Syngonium. And this one, I think, is the Philodendron Painted Lady. The leaves actually look really good on this one, for the most part. This one, I think it's the Philodendron Florida Ghost. We got a yellow leaf here, but most of them look okay. This one, I think it's the Philodendron Ring of Fire. Little bit of yellow leaves, the other look good. Okay, oh, this one, I think it's the, it might be the Philodendron White Knight, maybe? But one of the leaves already fell off. That's okay. As long as the roots are fine, it should be okay. This one, I want to, oh, you know what? These actually have labels on them. This one is the Philodendron Strawberry Shake. And then finally, we have another Syngonium. This one's the Syngonium Red Spot Tricolor. red spot tricolor. I'm gonna go over the ones, I'll just go over everything since I didn't realize there were labels here. This one's Syngonium aurea, Philodendron burrow marks variegated. This one's a Philodendron Florida Beauty. This one doesn't have a label, but we know it's a crystallinum. This one is a Syngonium pink spot. So the pink spots. This one's a Syngonium starlight. Painted lady. Florida ghost. Ring of fire. Anderson. Strawberry shake. And red spot tricolor. So far they look pretty good. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 plants here. From my understanding, if you have the import permit, you can order more than 12 plants at once. But I wasn't too sure, so I only ordered 12. But now I'm gonna take a look at the roots and open them up. So I finally unpackaged all the plants from the sphagnum moss. Most of them look pretty good, but one of them, the Philodendron Anderson, doesn't look like it's gonna make it. Although the leaves do look very nice, they fell off immediately. And there's some mushiness on the stem. The roots are okay, and there's a small portion at the bottom that's still firm, so I don't know if this one will survive. These plants have been in customs for almost 2 weeks, and considering they've been in there that long, it wasn't too bad. 11 out of the 12 seem to be in good shape. So unfortunately, the Anderson doesn't look like it's gonna make it, and even if it does, it will take quite a lot of effort to bring this back to life. I hope I've shared some useful information if you're interested in importing plants. The seller provided the phytosanitary certificate necessary to import into the US, and I did also obtain an import permit in the hopes that I wouldn't have had to run into this problem. But even with the import permit, the USDA decided to hold this for a certain amount of time to inspect it. It's hard to say if this would have survived if the transit was shorter. In the past, it arrived as soon as a week from the time it was shipped, and this time I would say it's closer to 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to rehabilitate these plants. So until the next video,